What's good, YouTube? Hey, Damn Mafia, we back in this bitch. Damn Mafia, we're back in this bitch on another video, man. And you see what we dealing with, man? Yeah, man, we're there with Mr. Darky. You know, you already know what time it is, man. It's always a vibe when we listen to Kraff over here, dog. And y'all like Kraff a lot. You see me? So it's always a vibe listening to Kraff. And the man music mad. You see me? It's actually dope. I always have some dope concepts, some dope visuals, some dope vibe. So we rock with Kraff. But today, this one was actually requested to us by Knight. Big up yourself, Knight 9991. Big up yourself, G. Strong supporter of the channel. Always support, man. Shout out to Knight. Yeah, it's been a minute. He said, yo, react to Kraff sometime. It's been a long time since he dropped it. Because, yeah, if you know, this dropped a month ago, but I've been missing for the last month. But I'm back now. I know y'all happy. Yeah, calm down. Oh, yeah, man, gang. Yeah. So I'm back now. I'm going to react to some more music. You see, I've been dropping videos back to back. I've been flooding y'all, man. So just keep expecting that. More videos coming more consistently, better quality. I think I figured out what was wrong with my equipment, so it should be smoother, no more, you know, sticking, stuttering, all that. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Help your boy out, man. Help push my video. Help me get more views. Help me grow on YouTube, gang. All you gotta do is hit that like button. Help push my videos out. Help my channel grow. So help your boy. If you see my videos over and you're wondering why I'm not getting no views, because you're not hitting the like button. You're not hitting the like button, dog. You gotta hit that like button to help your boy out. So hit that like button if you're watching. Watch the video all the way through. I already know what time it is, man. We vibing. Today, like I said, this was requested by Knight. Big up yourself. Kraff, sometime. I'm gonna check it out. Swear dog I deal with. You see me I say? Kraff is always a vibe. So I'm expecting nothing less. You see me I say? Let's get it, guys. Smooth out of it.
See why I just can't take what you does want to come chill it. That every 3 years to give me that credit. I don't
have 3 years in a attack? The accent we come in.
So we have so long to get a good fucking credit.
Kraff got some only good nice good feeling of this dog. Come in, man.
I know me feelings gone. Mama says she wanna spend some time. Good body thick, me we spend some time. Give ready pussy, me we spend some time.
Okay. Mama says she wanna spend some time. Good, very thick me. Yeah, man, we spend some time with the mama, man. We spend some time with the man. Come in, what going? Yeah.
Mama says she wanna spend some time. Good body thick, me we spend some time. Give ready pussy, me we spend some time. Sinna the day and night, me repent sometime. Turn it pan inna the air, so me.
Wow, it must say sinna dear. When you say sinna dear, do what? Sinna dear prayer night, me repent sometime. Hey boy, Kraff,
repent sometime. Turn it.
Hold on, more come here.
Give ready pussy, me we spend some time. Sinna the day and night, me repent sometime. Turn it pan inna the air, so me vent sometime. If you're rampy, this inna me we spend some time. Full of killers inna dolly when me send pan crime.
I seen that daddy when me send pan crime. Tony in the year, I saw me vent sometime. Easy no Kraff, me G coming.
Pop a pill inna me liquor, know me feelings gone. This thing man feel it, want feel it. Press a button at the cups and
a pill inna the and me feeling gone. Got a demon feeling, she want feel it. Right. Hey boy, easy that bad new bullet keep bent. All this. So look at this as 4 series. Yes, you know me G man,
I feel it, press a button at the coops and the ceiling. Buck a girl in at the bush, she a fiend fee star. I'm pretty sin a youth, yeah, fiend fee star. Got it 30 for me too, don't feel me soft.
Yeah man, got it 30 money, not feeling soft. I want you don't test. Nope, NPT run here, brother. I want you.
Yeah, take what you does want to come chill it. That every 3 years to give me that credit.
Half a dozen gal a bubble for the dollar. Pass a duffel, make me chuck it on a mom's. Water, mama throat.
Half a dozen gal a do for the dad. Pass it duffel, me fling it on their moms, man. The moms them out. You see me as the moms them looking good. Come in.
Me pretty feeling where she come from Ghana. Me Trinidad gal, so she love bad man. So she love bad man. How is she love?
Feel you want bad man, auntie, woman, say, man, yeah, man.
Pop a pill inna me liquor, know me feelings gone. This team and feel it, want feel it. Press a button at the coops and the ceiling. Far buck a gal in a bush, she a fiend for star. I'm pretty sin a youth, yeah, fiend for star.
Kabu, she a fiend for the star. Here, man. You know you feel Kraff. You see me? You know, yeah, enough time. Yeah, enough time. Touch the school and some super girl will love off, man. You know, dog, man. You know, hey! Me not have to be star, you know. I'm telling you, hey, I'm telling you. I found no understand.
I just have to wait so long to get a good fucking prick.
Come on, say she want spend some time. To a sport body thick, we spend some time. Give ready.
Oh, I'm to you. Hey, come.
Pussy me we spend some time. See na day, day and night, me repent some time. Turn the pan inna the air, so me vent some time. If you're ramping.
Turn the pan inna the ear, so me. I'm to you, this a vibe. This a vibe, okay. Yeah, man, go on good, man. Go ahead.
Me spend some time. Full of killers in a dolly when me send punk crime. Papa me lead a milk, I know me feelings. And this team and feel you, I feel it. Press a button at the coops and the ceiling. Fall back a gal in a taboo, she a fiend feast, a ramp with this.
Man, outside the moms them, you see? I got a few bad feeling with him. Yeah, man.
See na youth, ya fiend feast.
Russian. Yeah, man, Russian I put in work. Put in work.
I got it 30 pound, me too, don't feel me, sir. Don't feel me.
Yeah. Easy na one. Russian over here. Russian back to dancehall now. Or Russian stop doing international because Russian realize say your dancehall is where it's at. That's what dancehall is where it need to be. I know he was overseas for a minute. Russian wasn't dropping rhythms like that. You know what I'm saying? The man was overseas for a good while. And he was mostly working with international artists like rappers and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah man, okay, get out say, yo, I'm gonna go back full force on dancehall. I'm gonna drop be a Riddim from there. And I ain't gonna lie, ever since Russian came back, dancehall does have a little bit different sound and feel. Everything I get back bouncy and vibesy. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, people are move away from the whole electronic rapping, chopping sound. More bounce back. The dance in a dancehall I come back. Big up Russian dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, big up Russian, big up Kraff, really vibes the tune. You know, so the girls I love them one day. Yeah, thugs ain't can't love no one them one day. You see me cause you let her spend some time, you know. Hey, yeah man, it's a vibe. Like that one. Them are going good. Big up Kraff, big up Russian. You see me, payment plan with them. Definitely dope. Probably go check out some other artists on the payment plan with them. I like how juggling I come back. Like how juggling a forward back. Yeah, I don't like that man. Multiple different tracks on the same rhythm. Yeah, like how juggling back. That's why bringing the vibe back. That's why dancers sound different. I know you can play multiple different on the same rhythm. As you know, you have Dirty Money rhythm, you got payment plan rhythm. I saw thing they bring back. What the other rhythm thing they bring back? What do you? The rhythm name? Forgot her name, but yeah man, that going good man. Big up everybody. Like God answer that going. Bring back the vibe, bring back the juggling, all that good stuff. But yeah man, gang, if you like it, definitely make sure the artists only want to support me. Give us a Jambisco and send it on. You already know what time it is. Definitely dropping your favorite part of the track, of the video, all that good stuff. And don't forget to drop your requests. You don't know, you will get your shout out. Don't forget to drop your requests. Also, gang. Don't forget, if you make it this far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Help the boy, help the channel grow. Let's get more views over here. Just hit the like. That's the biggest. If you want to support me, the biggest way to hit that like button. Also, if you do want to support me, do have Cash App and other links in the description. So check that out to see other ways that you can support the channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang. Till next time, don't know my boy Jambisco. I was here now hitting us here. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.